Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video on my channel. In a little video I have entitled Blinded by the Packaging. Items that I didn't even think I'd be that interested in, but I literally just had to have them for the packaging, and I made up excuses in my brain why I needed them because of the way they were packaged. Which is terrible. There's been an uproar going on YouTube lately about don't buy it just for the packaging, and it's just like, I'm weak. I'm weak. First and foremost, MAC lipsticks. These are just so sleek and wonderful in my collection. I love them so much, but are they the most amazing lipsticks on the planet? Not at all. There's nothing amazing to me about MAC lipsticks. Their mattes are really drying. Their lusters are like a lip gloss. I mean, they're okay, but there's nothing spectacular about them. But just looking at them makes me happy. When you see a MAC bullet, you're like, that woman exudes class and wonder. And when you look at them in a lipstick container and they're all together uniform, you're like, they're so pretty. It just looks so pretty, but am I buying them because I use them, or am I buying them because of the way they look? And sometimes I feel like it's because of the way they look. I love the way they feel. I love the way they look. I love the way they make me feel. I feel like a classy woman when someone pulls out their MAC lipstick and they're just like, but in reality, it's like, are they good? No, not really. Another thing, since I just mentioned this in my last video, I just want to talk about is just Maybelline mascaras. I always know they're not going to work for me. I don't like Maybelline mascaras, but they're always in the prettiest, most colorful, most obnoxious packaging, and I'm like, this might be the one. It's just so pretty, it might be the one. And they're not. At all. Another thing I just touched on in my other video is EOS. I always buy these little fuckers because I'm obsessed with the little egg packaging. They don't hydrate my lips. In fact, they make them drier and more gross, but there's just something about having your little egg and opening your little egg and being like, hey, or the way all the little eggs look together. I love it. I mean, I haven't bought one in a really long time, but still, there was a time where, I knew they were bad for me. I knew they did nothing for me, and I was still like, I hate doing this, but these Too Faced Love Light highlighters, they are just so subtle and not my style, and they're just not a blinding highlight whatsoever. To me, they barely even show up as a highlight. Maybe this one could be a blush topper, or whenever I wear this one, I feel like I'm not even wearing a highlight, which is blinded by the light, but it's not really that blinding. I mean, it looks okay there, but they're very sheer. They're not super blinding. And there's a time and a place that calls for sheer, but these are so undetectable, I feel like, and they're just so cute. They are just so freaking cute. And that's why I bought them. And I thought I'd love them, but I don't. Sticking to Too Faced highlighters, I didn't even realize what this product was because I was blinded by the packaging. But it is the Too Faced Diamond Highlighter. I waited and waited and waited and waited for this to come out, and then I ordered it on Ulta. But I was so obsessed with the packaging and how it just looked like a little diamond that, let me just show you, I didn't even notice it was a marbled green and purple highlighter. It pulls so green in real life that I think I've worn it on my skin one time because it just pulls super green. That's that in the middle. There it looks a little more blinding, but on the skin, it is purpley green. And it's not a very cute look for me, to be honest. And I didn't even know. I didn't even know that it was marbled. I thought it was just a champagne, because to me, I didn't even read anything about it. In everything Trend Mood posted to me, it was oh, it's marbleized champagne. It'll be gorgeous. This looks like a little ring in there. And I didn't even read. I just ordered it right away. I wanted it so bad, and I didn't even realize it was a colored highlighter. Should have read that. This is something I actually really enjoy, but it is the Physicians Formula Youth Wear Spotless Makeup. Now, this is way too dark for me right now, but I love it in the summer. And this was the first time a dropper foundation was a thing. They weren't even a big thing yet. I remember being that is so cool, and polka dots, and I was I need to have that, definitely. Now, I do love it and enjoy it, but I definitely lusted after it more. Hang on Physicians Formula. this damn dark thing. I love this one too, but their light shades are so dark. I can only wear them in the summer, but I do love them in the summer. This little rose gold bow. I would look at these and be like, I'll own you one day. I don't know if I'll like you, but I'll own you because you have a bow. Like, you're the cutest. And let's be honest, like, let me show you right now. Does that shade, I mean, maybe right now it does, but because I'm wearing bronzer, but hell no, dog. That'll work in the summer. But I do love both these products, but it was not the love for them that drew me to them. Staying on Physicians Formula, these little happy booster products. Now I did get this on clearance, but did I need it? Absolutely not. I absolutely did not need this. I liked it because it had hearts in it. But can you just look at the color of this? It's like goose poop. Don't mind my disgusting nails. I got anxiety and bit them off. Oh my god. Like, what color? When you put this together as a bronzer, it is... I mean, that's not so bad, but it doesn't work for me. And I have another one that's like an illuminating one and it does nothing. It's literally absolutely nothing. Let's be honest. I bought these because they have little tiny hearts on them. I'm not even so blinded, but like, it's like the peanut butter and jelly palette. That's such a cute concept. I think I've only swatched these. I've never actually worn them, which I hate to admit. But yeah, the peanut butter and jelly palette drew me in because I was like, peanut butter and jelly, that's so cute. And there's a little lipstick bread on it. It's so cute. I don't think I've ever worn it. The next are also products I enjoy, but I bought them in a set because I just thought they looked so cool. And it is the Tarte, this is in Kitten, but they're like lipsticks. I actually really enjoy them. The lipsticks are like super creamy, but they wear off like super fast with the lip gloss, but they're really fun for like fast for like the beach or something like that. But the lipsticks, they're like, they wear off super fast. There's nothing like spectacular, they're just lipsticks, but I needed the expensive lipsticks because they're dual-ended with lip glosses and they just look so cool and bougie. Last but not least is something that I tried to make myself love because I'm obsessed with the packaging. It is the Vera Wang Love Struck perfume. I hate the smell of this. It smelled to me better in like Sephora when I got it home. I was like, wow, this smells like my late grandmother. And I've barely used it. And it makes me so very sad, but I want it so bad because this was like back in the day. Because it looks like a little bouquet of flowers. This is literally why I wanted this. I spent all that money for the full size. Full size. Because I needed the little bouquet of flowers on top. And now I just want to chuck it out my window. Why? Guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video of blinded by the packaging. Products I bought before thinking about it just because they were so pretty or cute or something and I should have thought about it. I hope you have a fabulous evening. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great one. Bye.